Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week, we're taking you out to the Callahan Cruisers monthly cruise-in at the Hardee's restaurant, Valentine's Day edition. This is going to be the Walkabout cam, where we take a cell phone and a selfie stick and just guide you through the show and show you what's out there. We had a great time. Lots of cars showed up, which was kind of unexpected, being as how it was Valentine's Day. You know, people like to go out and, have dinner and do the whole thing with their lady, their old lady, their girlfriend, their side piece, whatever. We don't judge. But we actually had quite a few cars that decided to cruise out, which was great. We really enjoyed it. In fact, we shut down the second drive-thru and filled it up, and still had cars coming. We're growing again, I guess. So we really like that. That's really great. I guess that's all I got. We'll take you out to the car show now. I'm going to shut up. We'll get you out to the car show. So let's rev it up for them hot rods. All right, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Callahan Cruisers monthly cruise in at the Hardee's restaurant in Callahan, Florida. This was our Valentine's Day edition, which, you know, hey, we had it on Valentine's Day. We had a lot of cars show up. That was kind of unexpected on my part. Just, you know, you don't expect it. You expect people to go out and be with their loved one, their significant other, their wife, their girlfriend, their side piece, you know, whatever you want to say. Whatever descriptor describes your loved one. Use that term loosely. And it was just a great turnout. We just hung out and chilled and took it easy. It was just a good event. The weather was great. It wasn't frigid. It wasn't overcast. It wasn't raining. It was just a good day. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you do all the YouTube stuff. The likes, the subscribes, the comments, the shares. It's really important. We're trying to grow the channel. We are at 348, 49 subscribers. We got a little bit more to go to get to 500. Once we get to 500, we get them YouTube dollars rolling in. We'll be able to do more stuff for the channel. We'll go further out, go to different further out events. Maybe expand our coverage area. Because right now we range from Savannah to Daytona, and it's just kind of more Florida side than Georgia side. But we do go to some shows up in Georgia, don't get me wrong. Anyway, you know, gas ain't cheap. And you guys that drive big block cars, you know. You guys know. You hot rodders, you know. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you do all the YouTube stuff. We'll see you guys out at the next show, whatever the next show is. It's fixing to start ramping up really big on car shows, so it's going to be hard for me to keep track of what shows are what week. But I'm going to do my best to get out to as many shows as I can for you guys. So, we'll see you guys at the car show, whatever it may be.